Ever wondered how those little lifesavers are made? No, I'm not talking about airbags or life vests. I'm talking about something much more personal, much more intimate. Today, we are going on an incredible journey inside a condom factory to uncover the secrets behind the art of protection. It's a process that's more high-tech, precise, and fascinating than you could ever imagine. So, buckle up, because things are about to get, well, manufactured. Our story begins not with rubber, but with glass, or sometimes stainless steel. I'm talking about the formers or mandrels, which are essentially glass or steel molds shaped like, well, you know. Rows upon rows of these gleaming forms, hundreds of them, are lined up, ready to begin their dance. They are meticulously cleaned and prepped for their first dip. This isn't just a quick rinse. It's a rigorous process to ensure there are absolutely no imperfections on the surface. Any tiny speck of dust or residue could create a weak spot, and when it comes to condoms, weak spots are a definite no-go. Now for the main event, the dipping. These formers are dipped into a huge vat of liquid latex. The latex itself is a story. It's sourced from rubber trees primarily in Southeast Asia. This natural rubber latex is carefully selected and processed to meet stringent quality standards. It has to be the perfect consistency, temperature, and purity. As the formers are submerged, a thin, uniform film of latex clings to them. The precision here is key. The speed of the dip, the angle, the withdrawal, it's all computer controlled to ensure the latex coating is perfectly even. But one dip isn't enough to create a strong, reliable barrier. So, they go for a second round. The formers slowly rotate as they move along the production line, which helps the latex to dry evenly and prevents it from dripping or forming thicker spots. After the first layer is partially dried, they take another plunge into the latex vat. This double dipping process builds up the thickness and ensures maximum strength and integrity. It's like applying 2 coats of paint for a better, more durable finish. Once the dipping is complete, the journey is far from over. The latex-coated formers now enter a long oven, a process called vulcanization. This is where the magic really happens. The heat initiates a chemical reaction that cross-links the polymer chains in the latex. In simpler terms, it transforms the soft, somewhat sticky latex into the strong, elastic material we're all familiar with. This is the same basic process used to make car tires, just on a much more delicate scale. It's this vulcanization that gives the condom its strength and elasticity, allowing it to stretch without breaking. After they've been properly cured, it's time to get them off the formers. High-pressure water jets are used to carefully roll the condoms down the glass molds. At the base of the former, a little ring is formed, which becomes the rim of the condom. It's a surprisingly gentle process, considering the speed of the production line. Imagine thousands of these being rolled off every hour, a waterfall of freshly made condoms. But are they ready? Not yet. Now comes the most critical phase, testing. And I mean serious testing. Every single condom manufactured goes through a rigorous electronic test. They are filled with a water or saline solution and an electrical current is passed through. If there's even a microscopic pinhole, a weak spot, or a thin area, the current will pass through it and the machine immediately rejects that condom. It's an automated, foolproof system that ensures no faulty products make it to the next stage. 100% of condoms are tested this way. Let that sink in. Every single one. But that's not all. In addition to the electronic testing, random samples are pulled from each batch for even more brutal tests. There's the burst test, where a condom is inflated with air until it pops. You'd be amazed at how much air one can hold, often up to 40 liters, which is like the size of a small pillow. This tests the tensile strength and elasticity. They also perform water leak tests on these samples, filling them with water and checking for any drips over a set period. These batch tests are all about quality control, ensuring that the entire production run meets the highest international safety standards. The standards are incredibly strict, and for a very good reason. Once they pass all these tests, the condoms are ready for the final touches. They are washed and dried to remove any residual chemicals and then coated with a lubricant. The type of lubricant can vary: silicone-based, water-based, with spermicide, or without. This is done in a large tumbling machine that looks a bit like a giant clothes dryer, ensuring each condom gets an even coating. Finally, it's time for packaging. This is also a fully automated process. A machine carefully rolls up each condom and seals it into its individual foil wrapper. The foil is crucial as it protects the condom from light, air, and physical damage, which could degrade the latex over time. The machine also prints the expiration date and batch number on each packet. This is vital for traceability. If a problem is ever found with a batch, the manufacturer can trace it right back to the specific day and time it was made. From there, the individual packets are bundled into their final boxes, ready to be shipped to pharmacies, clinics, and stores all over the world. It is a journey that starts with a simple glass mold and liquid latex and ends with a tiny, powerful tool that plays a massive role in public health, family planning, and sexual well-being. It prevents unplanned pregnancies and stops the spread of sexually transmitted infections, saving lives and empowering people to make safe, healthy choices. The sheer scale, precision, and dedication to quality in a condom factory is truly astounding. It's a blend of natural materials and cutting-edge technology, all working together to create a product we often take for granted. The level of care and testing that goes into each one is a testament to how important this product is. So, the next time you see one of these little foil packets, maybe you'll have a newfound appreciation for the incredible science and engineering that goes into making it. The art of protection is a serious business, and now you know why. It's a process designed with one thing in mind: your safety. Thanks for joining me on this peek behind the curtain. It's amazing what goes into everyday items, right? If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how things are made. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.